Shit, where'd it go? Ah, Johnny, where'd it go? I lost it. Hey Johnny, where'd that jellyfish go? Ah, fuck it. Try to catch it, but I think that's oil. Dirty as hell in this fetch. Whew. You guys got really strong legs to stand up the whole time. Yeah. That's why I'm sitting down, because I don't make my legs that tired. There has to be something by this little kelp patch.